UNgcuka ungezinye zezikhulu zikahulumeni ezisolwa ngokuphazamisa ukushushiswa kwamanye amacala eKhomishana Yamaqiniso Nokubuyisana, i-TRC. Uziphikile izinsolo zokuthi kunabantu ababa nesandla ekutheni i-NPA igcine ingawashushisi lamacala.
The allegations of attempts to influence or pressure the NPA to stop investigations or prosecutions during your tenure. And can you deal with paragraph 35 of your statement, please?
There were no attempts during my time. Nobody tried to do anything. I mean, there were no such attempts at the time.
Uthi wayengeke akuvumele lokhu.
When you are the national director, you get all sorts of approaches. Every other day, try to influence you, to persuade you. You do this, can you help me? Can you have this with me? Can you do that? You listen and you tell them where to get off.
Uthi ngesikhathi eba inhloko ye-NPA kwakunabantu ababemelene nomsebenzi wakhe waze wajuba uphiko olukhethekile oluzobhekana nalamacala e-TRC.
When I set up the NPA, I inherited the people who were working there. And some of these people are the ones who are prosecuting us.
Uthi ungabibikho kobufakazi kwamanye amacala yikhono kwaholela ekutheni egcine engashushiswa.
You take the Biko case. In that case, we realized that we did not have sufficient evidence to get a conviction. We knew, we all knew that the police had killed Steve. We knew that. And so, to go and take those police to court when we didn't have sufficient evidence, they would have been acquitted.
Ikhomishana izoqhubeka kusasa.